My name is Markus Putz and I'm the product marketing manager for the Quadtrac tractors in Europe, and I'm based in St. Valentin in Austria.
We are at the boot camp, and you have the Quadtrac 645, the new one here.
Correct.
Can you tell me a little bit what's the new stuff on this one compared to the old one? We all see that the bonnet is new, the new design,
Exactly.
that looks great, we all think, I think. And yeah, what can you tell me about it?
Okay, so we launched the Quadtrac 715 last year already with the new styling, and the 715 is equipped with even a larger bonnet compared to the 645, which is the second biggest model in our lineup, and with model year 2025, so starting at the end of the year and production starts at the beginning of next year, we introduced this new styling on all the other Quadtracs as well. So from the smallest up to the 645, they follow the design language we started on the 715 1 year ago. And it's not all, it's, you know, in the bonnet we have the new LED work lights, which comes as a standard in all tractors now, which improves the light performance. So we offer 3 light packages, and the hood mounted work lights, the LED ones, are always base now, and the top package provides, I think, 76,200 lumens, so really a very good performance package to see a lot in the night if you have a long day, as an example. Yeah. That's not all. We also introduce the new undercarriage, which is exclusive technology because it's suspended. And it's not only that the roller wheels are suspended, it's also the idler wheels are suspended. And this option, the so-called heavy-duty suspension, is available as an option for all models. So in summary, we offer 3 different undercarriage types. The standard undercarriage up to the 645, then the heavy-duty undercarriage on the 715, and the heavy-duty suspended, so this one, available as an option for all models. So we have a larger drive wheel, we have, let's say, a system which is hydraulic. You can see here the red cylinders, which includes also the damping element, and we have, let's say, this system is just hydraulic and mechanic, of course. There's no additional wires or sensors or electronics. It's just this hydraulic suspension system. But we carry over the well-known features like automatic rubber belt tensioning, so that the operator don't need to take care about is the correct pressure in the tensioning system. This is done by the machine automatically. Then we invest a lot in low downtime, so maintenance-friendly system. So you will not find one single grease nipple on this undercarriage. It's all maintenance-free. And what we have since a couple of years is these clear fuel caps we carry over with this technology, because here you can easily walk around the machine and you can see if there is oil inside or not. So this is also extremely maintenance-friendly. We have this on the inside and on the outside. In the cab, we offer now with the 2, let's say, best packages. We have 3 in summary. We have a phone holder, which includes also a wireless charging system, and then we have new toolboxes, which are sealed to prevent dust inside the toolbox. So you can have one toolbox on the left-hand side and one toolbox on the right-hand side. So you can see here the cab we introduced 1 year ago with the new styling and the new LED lights, and also the new rotary LED lights, you know, the small compact elements which we have 3 around the cab. Then we can see here the Quadtrac is, let's say, famous for comfort. So we have here a really unique access to the cab. These are the pivoting steers. So if you articulate the tractor, the steers, they move away to allow always, let's say, an ergonomic cab access. Then we have here the cab suspension. We introduced the cab suspension in 2010, and with the introduction of the heavy-duty suspension, this is a comparable step. So in terms of comfort improvement. So if you remember an, let's say, old Quadtrac before 2010, you know this feeling of the small vibrations. It was a big step forward when we introduced the cab suspension, and this is now again a big step forward with the heavy-duty suspension. So the feedback we received so far is extremely positive. And then we can fill in diesel and AdBlue on let's say in this area of the tractor. The AdBlue tank is on the right hand side, but we have here also a filler to it doesn't need to walk around the machine. Then we have here the saddle tanks, which allows us 1,880 liters of diesel and 320 liters of AdBlue. So for very long days in the field, this is possible. Maybe interesting also on the rear, we have 3-point linkage as an option on those tractors. It's not standard compared to smaller tractors. We introduced a new one 2 years ago. And this allows the full engine power via 3-point linkage. So this is an improvement versus the first generation. And then on those models here you can see we have the Cat 5 drawbar. And this is a massive drawbar pin of 70 millimeter diameter. And we have always this automatic closing function. So it is possible if you are alone and need to connect an implement with this automatic closing function, is a big improvement that you don't need always help from a second person. We know that the very common drawbar category is Cat 4. So if we deliver this drawbar pen, we also have a conversion kit. So it is a conversion from a Cat 5 drawbar, but with a Cat 4 pin. So it includes a bushing and a smaller pin. So this drawbar is capable for both categories. This is, let's say, an advantage. And in terms of remote valves, very common is the option with 6 remote valves in Europe. We can have up to 8. We have different options in terms of hydraulic pump, a standard, a high flow and a twin flow, so up to 428 liters of hydraulic flow is possible. But let's say most famous in Europe is the high flow option.